Good evening, my dear students. Today we discuss one more topic in third unit, RNA. RNA, DNA and RNA. DNA is also one of the polymer, and as well as RNA is also polymer. RNA is also polymer. What is the DNA? DNA is a polymer of deoxyribonucleic acid. What is the RNA? Polymer of ribonucleic acid. Polymer of ribonucleic acid. The DNA is presented in the cell, and as well as the RNA is also presented in the cell in a especially nuclei. The nuclei containing the DNA and RNA. The DNA and RNA it containing the genetic information. So what is the main difference between DNA and RNA? A structurally difference between DNA it containing the double helical structure, RNA it containing only single helical structure. That is the main difference between DNA and RNA. So in DNA 3 end to 5 end direction and 5 end to 3 end direction. Two directions are present in the DNA, but RNA it containing the 3 end to 5 end direction or 5 end to 3 end directions. These two directions are presented in the DNA. In these two directions, only one direction is presented in the RNA. Why? Because of RNA it containing the single helical structure, DNA it containing the double helical structure. That is the main difference between DNA and RNA. And as well as the nitrogen base pairs also presented in the DNA and as well as the RNA. What is the main difference between based upon the nitrogen base pairs? Adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. These four are presented in the DNA. So adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. Replace with the thymine or replace with the cytosine with the uracil. Adenine, guanine, thymine, uracil or adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. These four are presented in the RNA. That is the main difference between the DNA and RNA. Thymine, cytosine replaced with the uracil is known as the RNA. That is the main difference between DNA and RNA. The next one, the RNA synthesized from the DNA by the transcription process. RNA synthesized from the DNA from the transcription process. So the RNA is classified into three types. RNA classified into three types. One is the mRNA, the next one tRNA, the next one rRNA. First we discuss about mRNA. So RNA is classified into how many types? Three types. One is the mRNA, tRNA, rRNA. The mRNA occupy the 5 to 10% in the nuclei in the RNA. The next one tRNA is the 10 to 20%. The next one rRNA 50 to 80% occupied in the RNA structure. So first we discuss about the mRNA. What is the mRNA? Messenger RNA. Messenger ribosomal nucleotide. So the mRNA it containing the higher molecular weight and short life. What is the molecular weight? Above 25,000 molecular weight it containing the mRNA. High molecular weight compare than the tRNA, rRNA. It having the short life. And the next one, the mRNA participated in the synthesis of protein. Participated in the synthesis of protein. So that is the importance of the mRNA. The next one rRNA. Ribosome rRNA. The rRNA it containing the 50 to 80% rRNA presented in the RNA. So it occupy the largest space in the RNA. So rRNA means ribosomal RNA, ribonucleotide. So the rRNA, it is the involved in the factories of protein synthesis. What is the factories of protein synthesis? rRNA. The next one, it containing the 60s subunits and 40s subunits are presented in the rRNA, but 60s 40s ribosomal subunits are absent in the mRNA, absent in the tRNA also. The rRNA, it containing the 80 60s ribosomal units, 40s ribosomal units, 30s ribosomal units, means simply the subunits of ribosomes are presented in the only rRNA, absent in the tRNA and as well as the mRNA. The next one are tRNA. The next one, tRNA. So this is called as a tRNA structure. This is called as a tRNA structure. So what is a tRNA? Transfer ribonucleotide. The transfer ribonucleotide, it containing only 10 to 20% of tRNA presented in the RNA. The next one, it contains this molecular weight of tRNA is a 25,000, exactly 25,000 molecular weight of tRNA. Above 25,000 is the mRNA. Below 25,000 is the rRNA. Exactly 25,000 is the tRNA, transfer RNA. It occupies the 10 to 20% space occupied in the RNA structure. So this is called as a structure of RNA. The next one, the tRNA, it containing the how many nucleotides? The tRNA containing the how many nucleotides? Totally 75 nucleotides. Exactly 75 nucleotides are present in the each and every tRNA structure. But what is the minimum value? 71 to 80 nucleotides are presented in the 70 to 80 nucleotides are presented in the tRNA. But up to 250 nucleotides are presented in the mRNA. The next one, 60 nucleotides are presented in the rRNA. That is the main difference between tRNA, mRNA, rRNA based upon the nucleotides. The next one, this is called as the structure of the tRNA. In structure of tRNA, it having the 4 arms. One is the acceptor arm. The next one, second one is the T-psi-C arm, variable arm, anticodon arm, D arm. These totally 5 arms are present in the tRNA structure. What is the acceptor arm? The acceptor arm, it containing the ACC. It is called as a codon, triplet codon. This is called as a triplet codon. Each and every triplet codon, it containing the genetic information. The genetic information stored in each and every triplet codon. Without a triplet codon, there is no having any genetic information. For example, ACC is a triplet codon. AC is not a triplet codon. So the ACC, it containing only genetic information. AC is not containing the genetic information. A complete genetic information is presented in the ACC. What is the A? Adenosine, cytosine. So these are the acceptor arm is the participated in the protein synthesis. So what is the protein? Number of amino acids. Simply the acceptor arm, it containing the amino acids, and ACC triplet codon also. That is called as the acceptor arm. The next one, anticodon arm. This is called as the anticodon arm. The anticodon arm, what is the codon? What is the anticodon? Triplet codon. For example, ACC, adenine always bind with the guanine, cytosine always bind with the adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. Thymine in a DNA. This is called as the DNA structure. Cytosine bind with the uracil in the RNA structure. This is called as the codon. For example, ACC bind with the guanine, thymine. This is called as the anticodon. So cytosine bind with the uracil in the RNA structure. This is called as a DNA structure. So it is not. This is wrong. This is right. So this is called as the anticodon. What is the importance of the anticodon? The RNA continuously produced in the cell, it produces the number of proteins. That's why the anticodon are presented here, the one anticodon arm. The next one, The next one is a D-arm. This is called as a D-arm. This is also called as a complementary base pairs. D-arm is also called as a complementary base pairs. It containing the dihydrouridine. It containing the dihydrouridine. The next one T psi and C. P S psi T psi C. Thymine psi cytosine arm. It contains the sequence of the T and psi. The psi is nothing like that. Uridine is presented here. Uracil or uridine is presented here. This is called as a T and psi hormone. D is nothing like that. It contains the dihydrouridine. Here only uridine is presented. It is containing the complementary base pairs. There is no having any complementary base pairs. The anticodon arm, it contains the anticodes. Then a acceptor arm, it containing the ACC and amino acids. One more arm, this is called as a variable arm. The variable arm, it containing the two types. One is the type 1 and type 2. It is divided into type 1 and type 2. The type 1, it containing the 3 to 5 base pairs. And the next one, type 2, it containing the 13 to 20 base pairs. 20 base pairs. What is a base pair? Adenine, guanine is a one base pair. The next one, thymine, cytosine is one base pair. Thymine, uracil, one base pair. Guanine, adenine is one base pair. So this is called as a base pairs. So in variable arm, it containing the type 1 and type 2. Type 1 containing the 3 to 5 base pairs, type 2 containing the 13 to 20 base pairs. That is the main difference between variable arm. So this is called as a structure of structure of RNA, and especially structure of tRNA. So the structure is nothing like that. What is the structure name? Structure name is nothing like that. The clover leaf style like a structure is known as a structure of RNA. So this is about RNA. If you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss.